Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu bread easy method. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a loaf pan with parchment or butter. Whisk eggs, sugar, and strong espresso, then fold in mascarpone and flour until just combined. Gently layer soaked bread cubes or ladyfinger pieces into the batter, sprinkle cocoa, and bake until a toothpick comes out mostly clean for moist, coffee-kissed results. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and calm. Brew strong espresso or dilute instant espresso to taste and allow it to cool slightly. Beat eggs and sugar until pale, then fold in mascarpone, vanilla, flour, and a pinch of salt. Toss bread or ladyfinger pieces briefly in coffee, then fold into the batter. Transfer to a prepared pan and tap to remove air bubbles before baking. If you are enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and bring more easy bakes. Quick recommendation. I love a book called The Simple Path to Wealth for a clear, funny take on money. It pairs oddly well with baking calm and focused bread projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Watch the oven carefully because tiramisu bread benefits from a tender, slightly moist center. Start checking at 30 minutes with a toothpick. A few moist crumbs are fine. If the top browns too quickly, tent with foil for the last 10 minutes. Let the loaf rest in the pan for about 15 minutes so it firms up, then cool completely on a rack for cleaner slices and better texture when you dust with cocoa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.